go.
Okay. Oh, hold on, sorry.
I need my mask. Wait. Thank you. Okay, we good.
All right.
We did it. How's it taste?
Amazing.
Ding, ding, ding. We made it. Here, to the left. Oh, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect.
We need this.
oh, look at these
Getting
little
this.
puppies.
All right, next. Ooh, the fancy Kirby letter.
Oh, okay. What color did I decide on?
You said gold. Ooh,
Oh.
yes. Carol, these.
Okay. Oh yeah, those are cute. I
These are
like
cute.
those. So am I doing gold?
You're doing gold. Ooh, I should have taken a video of like what cap we're doing.
You can do that after.
I'll do it after.
Right.
We like the shiny.
Like the shiny,
Yes.
but like one of these.
Ooh.
But like, see?
Ooh. Okay, so
Okay.
these two
Yeah. Yeah.
cards.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
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 I guess like these gold. Ooh, Miss Sparkly. We're both gonna be gold. Ooh, what about this one?
This one has multiple. Yeah, that's nice.
Wait, we're getting this. Wait, clear blue. Perfect.
All right. Now let's find you some flowers.
Okay. Those are cute.
Honestly, at this point, I'm just gonna get sparkly stickers and then spray paint them white.
You want to?
Honestly, let's do silver, but a little bigger.
We
Cursive.
come with a decision.
All right.
So like this one,
No, bigger.
this one.
Yeah, but cursive. Are you telling me you don't have silver cursive now?
Nope. What about this one?
Should we get two, just in case they don't have?
If you want.
All right. All right.
Okay.
I'm done.
Flowers.
Eee. Okay.
Perfect jackpot.
Oh.
Oh, use these. Oh, right here.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Yes,
Okay.
we made it.
Oh, look at the baby ones.
Oh, you could put some of these on yours too.
No, I'm done.
Why not?
No.
Oh, look at these are cute.
Ooh, that's like a mix of flower. Ooh, look at these.
Oh, that's cute too. You
That,
got it?
that, let's go.
Perfect. Okay, let's go. We did it.
Bunch of money. Here.
Oh yeah. But we did it. We got a coupon. I don't even know if we're gonna use all this, but
Nope.
the only bad thing is I can never tell with the stupid thing.
Okay, see, I got this one.
Oh my god, that was awful trying to do that.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna do that last.
Just make sure you.
Like I don't put it on
Yeah.
the whole.
I got really dark.
Oh my, this is so cute. Award of Excellence.
I think that's the
The
same
degree
one too.
of I think it is too. Oh yeah, and they put BS.
BA. We're looking back to the coloring with kids stage, trying to cut out those castles.
I think I'm literally using the same exact letters that this girl.
Yeah. But you're gonna personalize it.
Yep. Yeah, I think if I put like these, like BS.
What do you have? Bachelor's of Science?
I have a BSBA. Do you?
I don't. I
have
think
a
I just have a
bachelor's-
Bachelor's of Science.
I have a Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration, so that's why it's a BSBA.
Yes.
I think I just have a BS.
Oh, okay, we'll have a BSBA.
Oh, aren't you just fancy?
I have two.
You do know you're cropped out, right? Like you're here up here.
Really?
Yeah, Kara's fully in the picture.
Oh,
can
lucky
you fix
me.
it then?
Yeah, you fixed that.
Oh no, I have to lean it back. Okay, no one touch that leg.
Okay.
No, because if not, then it's gonna be cropped out.
Oh, crop her right in. Just,
Crop me right.
Oh wait, yeah. Can't you move this?
am I less, like, shown now?
Are we in it?
Can she be shown more?
Both of you are fully in it.
Okay, do we need to turn on the light?
Like,
Is it kind of dark
chest
in here?
up?
Is it dark?
Chest up, right?
Is it dark in here? I'm not gonna go back to freaking Michael's just to get another H. That's so dumb.
Did it not look good with the
I'll take the top of this
BSBA?
U. Actually, the X. No one uses an X.
Oh.
Like when shooting. Wait, is that good?
Alright.
That looks better, right?
Do it like that.
Like that?
I feel like it looks better like that. This is taking longer than I thought to go.
Wait.
Oh!
Wait, do you need help? Do you
With
want
the
smaller
light?
scissors?
No, I just need to focus and stop being stupid.
Okay, done with this
BSB.
BS ba.
I'm still waiting for my actual diploma.
It still has to come.
Nope.
That's stupid.
Did I actually graduate college?
No.
I'm just waiting
Not until
for
you
that.
get that paper.
I'm waiting for the, yeah, you're actually missing a few things.
Oh my god.
I would die.
My prayer was answered.
Oh, where is
I
that?
don't know! It was right here! I feel like mine looks so basic.
Yeah, you're gonna have to help me with mine because you're gonna be done way before
Yeah,
me.
I'm gonna be done way before you. Like, I'm just laying mine out right now.
Yeah,
But
but
yours is all this cutting.
I'm still cutting though.
This looks so cute. Oh my god, it's like so over the top.
Yeah, it's gonna be cute.
Whatever, yeah. You know what? Might as well make it cute since we didn't have an actual graduation.
Exactly. Wait, which one's the front? This is the front.
When you put it on, you want it facing like that.
Wait. No.
Yeah. Because when you have it on, right? This is the front. When you have it on, you want people to see it like this. So
Okay.
the top should be here and the bottom should be here.
Okay. Bottom.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So basic. Oh, these are so cute.
I love that.
Are you sure you don't even want one?
Yeah, I'm good.
So be basic with me.
Right.
Are you okay? Yeah.
We're good. Welcome back. Shaka, 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 shaka.
Now I need to know my front. This is my front, right? This is front?
Does it say front?
I think. Front.
Okay.
So if this is my front, I need it like this. Yes. I'm really ruining this.
No, you're not. Just, it looks fine. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Everything's
Everything's fine.
Here we go again. Like, I'm triple checking because I messed mine up.
Really? For
Like,
what?
For Stonehill, like when I graduated from high school, I did it backwards,
Oh.
and it like made me really mad. What are you doing?
This looks like a hot mess.
I wonder if like you texted the people and said like, "Oh, I messed up with my cap. Can I have another one?" If they
Ha.
send another one.
No, there's no way. There's all sorts of.
Oh.
Oh, let's put that back. Listen, I'm no Van Gogh here. Okay, so. The tip is, this thing is too.
Oh, yeah, I saw something come out. Oh.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. Like if anything, open up the other side.
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah.
Here we go.
There we go. Oh.
Oh, we're really going for it. All right. Oh my god. Oh, it's fine.
Alright, okay.
You want that.
Yep.
It's fine. Keep going.
Alright.
Perfect.
This is gonna go one of two ways. It's gonna be decent,
Uh-huh.
or I'm gonna have to order a new cap.
No. We're gonna keep it with the decent. Here, like.
Look.
fixed right here.
Okay.
With the
It didn't come out. Okay. We're good.
No, it's
Hey Daniela, can we not act like the world's ending?
no. It was like wet and like moist.
I've never bedazzled something this much in my life.
I love it. Like, let me show the camera. That's looking good. Watch it be cut out. It's gonna be like here the pizza.
Yeah, I know.
Got my degree in BS. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Struggling? A little bit?
A lot of it. I feel like a flower queen. This looks so girly.
It does. It does.
Oh my god, I was going for
What about-
funny. I guess it is kind of funny.
Well, your cap looks lovely.
So does yours.
Congrats. Congrats on graduating.
I throw this and everything just
Just
falls off. Am I in the frame?
you're in the frame, but you need to shim it. Like half your
Oh, you have to. Okay, we have to angle it then. Also, I think my chair's a little bit higher than yours, so my head is always like.
Really? Because I feel like mine is.
No, I think yours has more cushion.
Part 2643.
Mhm.
Wait, where's the second E?
I gave you one.
You gave me one, but there's two. Oh, here it is. Here it
Oh,
is.
I was like, oh my god.
It's the H all over again.
Oh my god, I know, that was so sad. This is gonna be shiny in the sun.
I know. Tomorrow. Does it have two R's?
Yeah,
Tomorrow?
I'm gonna get another
Oh,
one.
okay.
I know, I'm like forgetting how to spell. Tomorrow has two M's, right?
Honestly, I don't
So you need another M.
know.
T-O-M.
M.
T-O-M-M-O. Can you use your phone to check the spelling?
T.
I think it has two M's and two R's.
I think it's. No, it's Tomorrow. W.
No, I can't spell.
So two R's
We need one
and then
more
one
O.
more O. Tomorrow. R.
Oh, and then
Wow. Where's the E? Oh, I was
You
cutting
have
it
it.
out, but then I didn't know how to spell tomorrow. God, this looks like a hot mess.
okay, I think I got all the orange and yellow ones for you. Except for these. We gotta bedazzle it.
Yeah, well, it's bedazzled.
It's bedazzled.
It's gonna be starry.
Starry night.
I was literally just.
Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh.
Excited.
Excited.
We're coming up with creative solutions.
On the resume.
Best at decorating graduation caps.
Really. Beautiful. Yeah. No. B-A-U. B-A-U. Oh God, Kara. Tiful. Okay. I don't know how to spell. Beautiful. I can't wait until you start this job and you have to get up at 7 o'clock. I cannot wait.
Or she's going to have a hard time. Trust me.
At least I'll be home, so I don't need to like dress up or anything.
Nope, just top up. That's all they can see.
I'll be in my underwear all day.
Yes, like, until you have to walk and everybody can see your butt.
Honestly, good thing we had enough letters from this because if not,
I would have.
back to my
Honest to God. Everything's fine. I should have done that for my cat.
Everything's
Everything's fine.
Yeah, you should have. You say that a lot.
Okay. It's my coping mechanism.
Oh, this is perfect.
Yay!
What, are we gonna just like all over?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take my hand and like do a little pat, 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 pat.
With glue?
Yeah. You ready for this? I thought it was sealed for protection.
Here, do you wanna?
Not childproof.
It says it's sealed for protection. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad.
No, this is good. We're good. You're just gonna find it on your floor for the next like 30 years.
Oh, look at that. Wait,
Okay, well,
Just fell off.
a few things came off. I don't know.
well, I don't see any glue spot.
What? Oh god.
Like that's all stuck there. Wait.
No, it's not.
No, we can rub
Okay,
some off.
alright,
We can rub it off.
Alright. All aboard the Hot Mess Express.
Perfect.
Choo choo. Oh, you're going full force. Okay. Okay. Oh, let me just. Oh my god. Oh.
Fine.
Right to my phone.
Oh, it's not fine. It's fine. It'll come out.
Holy sparkles.
Here, wait. Let's move.
Just beat it. The whole castle comes down.
Fuck you. Wait, let's see.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Oh god.
Let's scrape some of it off.
Okay.
A lot better.
Wait, now put it in that light.
Oh no. How was it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. I just dusted mine off, so it's not fun.
So it's not fun.
Oh, wait, again.
Oh, hold on. Let me get it.
Perfect.